Have you ever wondered why people behave the way they do? Is it their genes, their upbringing, or a combination of both? This age-old question lies at the heart of the nature versus nurture debate in psychology. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll delve into various theories of personality, examining the roles of genetic inheritance and environmental factors in shaping who we are. The nature versus nurture debate centers on the relative contributions of genetic inheritance, nature, and environmental factors, nurture, to human development. Nature refers to the genetic makeup we inherit from our parents, influencing traits such as eye color, height, and susceptibility to certain diseases. Nurture encompasses the environmental variables that impact our development, including our upbringing, culture, and personal experiences. The roots of this debate trace back to ancient civilizations. Philosophers like Plato and Descartes posited that certain traits are inborn, while others, such as John Locke, argued that the mind begins as a blank slate, shaped entirely by experience. In psychology, this discussion gained prominence in the 19th and 20th centuries with the emergence of various personality theories. Research has shown that genetics play a significant role in personality development. Studies involving twins, particularly those reared apart, have provided valuable insights. For instance, identical twins separated at birth often exhibit remarkable similarities in personality, suggesting a strong genetic component. Traits, such as extroversion and neuroticism, have been found to have heritability estimates ranging from 30% to 50%. While genetics provide a blueprint, the environment significantly shapes how these traits are expressed. Factors such as parenting styles, cultural background, education, and life experiences contribute to personality development. For example, a child raised in a nurturing and supportive environment may develop high self-esteem and social competence, whereas adverse experiences can lead to challenges in these areas. Modern perspectives emphasize the interplay between genetic and environmental factors. It's not a matter of nature versus nurture, but rather how they interact. For instance, a person may have a genetic predisposition for a particular trait, but environmental factors can influence the expression of that trait. This dynamic interaction suggests that our development is shaped by both our biology and our experiences. To understand the nature versus nurture debate, it's essential to explore the major theories of personality. Psychoanalytic Theory. Proposed by Sigmund Freud, this theory emphasizes the influence of the unconscious mind and early childhood experiences on personality. Freud believed that personality develops through a series of stages, each associated with a particular conflict that must be resolved. While the theory highlights the role of early experiences, nurture, it also acknowledges innate drives, nature. Behavioral theories such as B.F. Skinner argue that personality is a result of learned behaviors through interactions with the environment. According to this perspective, our responses to environmental stimuli shape our actions. This theory leans heavily on the nurture side of the debate, emphasizing the role of environmental conditioning. Humanistic theory, championed by psychologists like Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow, the humanistic approach focuses on individual free will and self-actualization. It posits that people have an inherent drive towards personal growth and fulfillment. This perspective highlights the role of both innate goodness, nature, and the environment's support in realizing one's potential, nurture. Trait theory, such as Gordon Allport and Raymond Cattell, focus on identifying and measuring individual personality characteristics. The five-factor model, also known as the Big Five, includes traits like openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. Research suggests that these traits have a genetic basis, but their expression can be influenced by environmental factors. Social cognitive theory. Albert Bandura's social cognitive theory emphasizes the role of observational learning, self-efficacy, and situational influences. According to this perspective, personality is shaped by the interaction between cognitive processes and environmental factors. This theory underscores the dynamic interplay between nature and nurture. Numerous studies have explored the contributions of nature and nurture to personality development. For example, research on twins has shown that while genetics play a significant role, Environmental factors can modify the expression of genetic predispositions. Additionally, studies on adopted children indicate that while they may inherit certain traits from their biological parents, their adoptive environment also significantly influences their personality development. The nature versus nurture debate is complex, with compelling arguments on both sides. Contemporary perspectives suggest that personality is the result of an intricate interplay between genetic predispositions and environmental influences. Understanding this dynamic can provide valuable insights into human behavior and inform approaches in psychology, education, and personal development. In summary, while our genetic makeup provides the foundation for our personality, it is the environment that shapes, molds, and influences how these traits are expressed. Recognizing the contributions of both nature and nurture allows for a more comprehensive understanding of the human experience.